After 25 years, is it this way? I'm kidding, of course. You are even lovelier, 25 years older. You know, this setting, I was reminded by Professor Bautista, this was the old canteen. And I remember I would have some lectures even in the canteen, or when I am taking my supper, it is a point that I would also deliver a lecture. Now all that is gone, and what we have is a lovely, I call it open space. And you see how the wind blows and the air, and that is how memory flows. It flows fluently like the wind, and as it flashed across my mind the event 25 years ago. I remember asking my student, bilhin mo na yung kape ko. I remember my students, I tell them, ipas nyo na yung clippings ninyo. To me, they were parang eccentricities doon, but I'm glad I did it because as I go through those memorabilia, my mind turns to you. I have a lesson before you reach my age, and my age you cannot guess it, but this much I can tell you, I was born in the year of the tiger. And if Professor Ko is here, he will know how to compute the age because the metallic tiger has a cycle of 12 years. So you cannot lie to Alpico because he knows the Chinese calendar. Joe naman, sabi mo, you were born in the year of the tiger. You must be, nakuha niya exactly the age. Kaya sabi ko, no, something is wrong with your Chinese calendar because at my age, I no longer count the years. No, I count memories as they flash across my mind. When you will reach my age, and in between, you will develop the habit of treasuring memories. It can be a photograph, it can be a DVD, it can be traveling to a place, it can be visiting a relative. And as you sit and meditate and reflect, the memories, they flash. They are like, in the words of a poet, roses in December. And you know, we do not grow roses in December. Yet these memories, they are as sweet as my favorite scent, which is of course Paco Rabanne, which is of course from Paris. You know, the Paco Rabanne, tapos na, wala nang laman, but the decanter, when you smell it, is still as fresh and a kind of fragrance, but the perfume is no longer there. But the fragrance lingers, and it lingers day after day as I open and as I close my Paco Rabanne. Students, you are like that to me, as fragrant as the perfume, with an aroma, with a freshness, with a fragrance that is distinctively Thomasian. There is something Thomasian about you and about me. I may have graduated from UP, but all over the nation, I am known as the professor from UST. You'll be surprised. Even when I'm in UP, I'm introduced as the professor from UST. That is because I told you, UST has always been my adopted mother, although UP was the biological mother. Something about our school, it has a zeitgeist of its own, it has a color of its own, it has a fragrance of its own, and it has